welcome back to our Sweetwater 1 tutorials while we are learning at home. Today's meeting is going to cover recording a Google meeting through Google Meets, as well as annotating on your screen or working on worksheets with your students while you're presenting. Let's get started. I started right at meet.google.com, and we are going to call this record meeting. Okay, from here, we're going to join in the meeting. We're not going to invite anyone else for this one. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is click on the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner, and we're going to click Record Meeting. Accept. And I'm just waiting for the record button to start. So now we are officially recording this meeting. So I want to start with presenting my screen. I'm going to click down here in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to present my entire screen. And from here, just so that we can see what we're presenting, again, you can click on this. It's going to be an infinite loop right now. I'm going to drag this down and out of our way. And I am going to open this document with a preview. For those of you who have the ActiveInspire software installed on your computers, which should be most people, you can actually use your ActiveInspire overlay. We'll be doing another tutorial on that here pretty soon. So by opening this in preview, I have the ability now to click on the tools and click Annotate. I'm just going to do an arrow for right now. But what I really want are all of these tools. So before you begin your session with your students, you could come in and have this set up ahead of time. I'm going to go ahead and delete this arrow, and I am going to click on this little button right here with the pencil, and you can adjust your line size. So I'm going to go ahead and make my lines a little bit bigger, and you can also play around with the colors and all of that good stuff. So I've got a fun little kindergarten worksheet here, and if I were working with my students, I could draw and annotate on my screen. Look, and how nice it makes my arrow. The other option that you have if you're working with students, you could even use a Word document, and as you're recording the meeting, you could type notes in, you could go over different problems that you've been working on. I mean, the possibilities are endless with using this record session. So okay, so we are done with that. And now what we want to do is bring back our meeting over here. We will stop presenting. We're going to go ahead and stop recording. And what this is going to do, it will notify me through email when the meeting has been uploaded to my Google Drive. So I'll be able to go in and share the recording with my students or with other people that I'm working with. And this gives you the opportunity to record sessions for your students, and they can even come back and watch them at a later time, as well as annotate on some PDF documents. So if you guys have any questions, please just reach out. We are happy to help you. Have a good night.